managing Windows domain policies and need to inspect a POL file. These binary files control critical system settings across your network. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through viewing and managing these Windows Group Policy object files safely. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the POL format and dozens of others obsolete. A POL file is a Windows Group Policy object file used by system administrators to enforce specific user and computer configurations on networks running Active Directory. Users, typically IT professionals, encounter these files when managing security settings, software deployment, and desktop restrictions. The file contains registry-based policy settings. The POL file has a specific binary structure starting with a signature, PReg, and a version number. It stores a series of registry keys, values, types, and data in a structured format. This binary design is efficient for the operating system to parse and apply during user logon, ensuring that policy settings are enforced quickly and securely. Windows often defaults to associating POL with the Microsoft Group Policy Management Console solution from Microsoft Corporation. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows limits direct user access as unintended edits can break essential features. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the POL file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Group Policy Management Console is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different POL variants. If the POL file is still giving you trouble, relax. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the POL file is refusing to open. First, viewing in Group Policy Editor. Open the Group Policy Management Console, gpmc.msc, on a domain controller or admin workstation. Navigate to the relevant GPO and edit policies through the graphical interface. The console reads POL files automatically, presenting settings in organized categories without requiring direct binary file manipulation. Next, inspecting with LGPO Tool. Download the lgpo.exe utility from Microsoft's Security Compliance Toolkit. Run lgpo.exe parse registry.pol to convert the binary POL file into human-readable text. This approach allows administrators to audit policy contents and document settings without modifying the active group policy infrastructure. Finally, editing with the registry.pol viewer. Use third-party tools like registry.pol viewer or Policy Plus to inspect and modify POL files directly. These utilities provide friendly interfaces for examining policy entries, especially useful when troubleshooting GPO application issues or working with local group policy on standalone systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.